Can you recall the terror on your screen? You came to know me first with